Hi there. Today we are going to be talking about the iClock 880 time and attendance terminal. This time and attendance terminal can perform access control functions and can store up to 50,000 fingerprint templates. One unique feature of this time and attendance terminal is that it has different identification modes such as fingerprint, RFID, and password. You can decide to combine several identification modes or use a single one. So you can have your workers either use their fingerprints, then have to enter their passcode, or after using the fingerprint terminal, they have to use their RFID card. Today I'm going to be unboxing the iClock 880 and showing you all the components that comes with it. So let's get right into that. Okay, so before we begin to unbox the iClock 880, it is important for you to know that you only buy ZKTeco products from authorized dealers. You can contact us to find out about our authorized dealers near you. If by any chance you buy your ZKTeco products from a third-party retailer, it is important for you to carry out an anti-counterfeit check. To carry out an anti-counterfeit check, simply locate the serial number of your device, which is either on the side or under the box of your device. Once you've located your serial number, go to our website and input the serial number. It will tell you if your device is a counterfeit or it is a verified ZKTeco product. So now let's get into unboxing our iClock 880. Once you open up your product, we have the BioTime 8.0 overview. BioTime 8.0 is a solution that works with the iClock 880. So you can simply just go to our website to download the BioTime 8.0 solution. And here you will see several things which you can carry out with the BioTime 8.0 solution. It comes with a power pack and an adapter, which you are going to use to connect your iClock 880 to a power source. And right here we have the iClock 880. Once we open it up, it comes with a free card, as you can see, and a backup battery. This is a 2000 mAh backup battery, which will last you for a very long time in case of power failure. Now we have here the iClock 880. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor. You can type in your passcodes, and here's what it looks like from the back. Here you have a pad which is for when you want to attach your iClock 880 to the wall. So once workers walk in the office in the morning, they can simply use their fingerprints to sign in, or when they are going home. Also, you have screws and adapters. This is just used to simply connect your iClock 880 and make it functional. So that is all we have in the iClock 880.